Tone to tone for John Kennedy.
Okay. Held first that whole race. Pretty clean. One tire tag.
Kevin McHugh, Francois, and Nick and Francis are done.
All right, get the bump to the A. I'm in the A main, so let's do this thing. Four-wheel drive mod buggy. Here's the four-wheel drive mod buggy A main, Wednesday, July 7, 2021.
Jake, you're in the 2.
I'm starting in position 8.
Everyone take a step back. All right, marshals, keep an eye on your corner. Racers, less than 5 on the tone. There's a quick one, keep it clean. Keep it on the toes. See some nice passes, looking clean so far. Keep it clean, smooth as fast. Looks like we've got a little error from our leader. Nice little pass there by Jake. Ooh, let Joe get right back by. That was a nice tight corner by Joe. Jake left that door open. Oh, Jake's right back on Joe's tail, looking for a spot to pass. Joe looking pretty good. Ooh, a little bottle from Joe is letting Jake.
Whoa, a little tire touch.
Jake's got the inside line, but not enough drive. Still got Dara up into the 3. Looks like I got Jackson, Jones, and Mark for Brian and JK.
Okay, nothing with 7.
A little error there from Mark, it looks like, puts him down to last. Still got our battle. Oh, Joe makes a mistake, gets into the tire. Jake has to monster truck to get over by. Dara goes around both of them and takes over the lead. He's going down the straightaway now. Jake's in the 2. Joe's already looking to take over the 2. Oh, Jake takes the door open. No, there's not. That was tight. Tight like a tiger.
Whoa, offside.
Red and yellow car coming in front of me now. Coming up front in front of me now. Whoa. Jake puts the hammer down, has a good run around that corner. Really, sneaks by, gets the line right before the jump. Oh, loses a bit of traction there and hits the pipe. Joe gets by as well. So we got Darrell front, then Joe, then Jake. And after that, we got Jake and Joan, Brian, John Kennedy, Mark. Watch the battle horse trying to get part of the roof. That looks like it was Joan. Oh, no. Joan's going to go from 5th to 8th. Oh, looks like we got 2 more front runners tagging. Oh, that's
no.
Jack takes the 2nd overall right now.
That was unfortunate.
Each other out. I don't know who took each other out. Listen, didn't see it.
I think that puts me back in the last again.
2nd and 3rd anymore. Meanwhile, Joe's taking off. He's got a 3.8-second lead. Dara's in 3rd. We got Jake in the 4th.
I should have let gravity do the work.
Yep, that counts.
That was whoa.
Our leader's going by the line now.
That was heat of the moment.
With a 23.0. That's his fastest lap of the whole race. We got Jack in the 2. Jake half a second behind him. Dara's down to the 4th position now. We got Joan in the 5, Brian in the 6, Mark the Gaggy in the 7,
where's everybody?
in the 8. Riley is going by the line now. Goes by the 23.2. Really consistently fast. Meanwhile, 2nd place goes by now, and 3rd. 23.9, 24.1 by Jake. Oh, I got his car down on the straight. Go on the inside, outside. Not down the middle, not down the middle. Okay, all clear. Minute and a half to go. Oh, we've got a Jack stuck on the tire there.
I was the leader, so I'll let him go.
Front. We got Jake now in the 2. We've got Jack in the 3. We got Dara in the 4. Here we go. Oh, Brian's in the 5. Jones in the 6. Mark's in the 7. And Jakey in the 8.
1 minute left.
So a couple battles here in the track with the last minute of play. Our battle is between Brian Jones. They're going by the line now. They're trying to catch up to Dara. That's in the
losing my line.
Jackson is third in front of Dara. He's got 35 seconds to try to pass him and pass him. Jack's got that last spot on the podium. Oh, I spoke too close. Dara's really putting the heat on Jack now. We got 23 seconds to go. It's going to be a fair last lap here. Meanwhile, Joe's got an 8-second lead on Jake. Got 10 seconds to go on the clock.
Okay, last lap.
Oh, we got two of them tangled now. There goes Dara and Jack. Time is up. You pass the line, you will be done. Dara takes third, Jack takes fourth. And there goes our leader, Joe Glover.
I was trying to let you guys race it in and then you crashed.
Jake takes 2, Dara 3, Jack 4, John Ryan 5, Mark Ryan 6, Brian 7, and John 8.
All right. Started 8th, finished 8th. That was four-wheel drive A main buggy.
You and Michael Schumacher.
Okay, that was four-wheel drive A main buggy with my Tekno EB410.2. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.